This method can answer key questions in the neonatology field, such as how much cardiac output is generated during chest compressions. The main advantage of this technique is that it enables the creation of a flexible heart model without the loss of anatomical realism. Demonstrating the procedure with me today will be Jasper Sterk, a technician from our laboratory.
To acquire image segments of a representative neonatal heart, first open an appropriate processing software program and import a neonatal thoracic magnetic resonance image, or MRI, formatted as a digital imaging and communications in medicine file. Using the Editing Masks tool, select the area of the heart muscle on each MRI slice where the heart is present and create a new sketch layer. Separately segment the two atria and the two ventricles in the same manner and use the Calculate 3D tool to render the muscle and chambers into separate 3D representations. Then use the Stereolithography Plus tool to export the segments as 5 stereolithography files using the optimal resolution for each file. For processing and printing of the neonatal heart mold pieces, load the atria and ventricle valve mold files into a computer-aided design software program, and use the original MRI to determine the positions of the aortic, pulmonary, mitral, and tricuspid valves. Using the Insert Part function, drag the valve files for the positive and negative mold halves.